Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must begin by ensuring Windows 10 64-bit and an admin account. This prevents permission errors. Once done, plug the G640 into a USB port and verify the tablet's LED or indicator lights. Next, download the latest XP Pen G640 driver file, not a third-party pack, so you have the correct installer ready. This step avoids mismatched drivers and ensures pressure sensitivity later. Make sure Device Manager shows an unknown USB device only briefly. Then close back. Run the downloaded driver installer as administrator and follow prompts carefully. Do not skip the reboot when it asks, because Windows finalizes kernel-level drivers on restart. Once restarted, open the XP Pen driver control panel and map the tablet active area to your monitor. This prevents cursor mismatch. Configure pen buttons, pressure curve, and hover distance. These affect workflow sensitivity. If your graphics app recommends Windows Ink, enable it. Otherwise, disable for some programs to avoid double input or jitter. Now test the tablet in a simple app like Paint and then your main program. Confirm pressure works and mapping matches the screen. If something fails, uninstall the XP Pen driver fully, reboot Windows, then reinstall. This clean cycle often resolves conflicts. Also try a different USB port or cable and disable USB selective suspend in power options if disconnects occur. If pressure is inconsistent, recalibrate and adjust the pressure curve. These fixes will restore reliable input for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.